What's happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. Apple just announced the brand new iPhone 17 lineup, and you can already order the iPhone 17, the iPhone Air, and the iPhone 70 Pro and Pro Max as of today. Now, normally I wouldn't be rushing to pre-order, but my iPhone 14 Pro Max, it's been through a nightmare. It took a dive into seawater during my time in Thailand, and it hasn't been the same since. The screen is fried, the phone overheats like crazy, the lightning port barely charges, and because of the water damage, I had to replace the gorgeous OLED screen with a cheap LCD just to keep it running. And honestly, that feels like a downgrade every single time I use it. So yeah, I need a new phone. And the iPhone 17 lineup couldn't have come at a better time. Now let's break down quickly what Apple is offering, because this year we've got 4 models. First up, the iPhone 17. It's powered by the brand new A19 chip. It's got a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion up to 120 Hz. And outdoors it hits up to 3000 nits peak brightness. For cameras, you get dual 48 megapixel fusion lenses, a main and ultra wide, plus a 2x telephoto equivalent. On the front, there's an 18 megapixel center stage camera, perfect for FaceTime or vlogging. It also has Apple's new N1 networking chip for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. And price-wise, it starts at $799 for the 256 gigs of storage. And here in the Netherlands, my mind was blown when I saw the price. The price starts at 969 euros. A lot of money for the base model. Next, the iPhone Air. This one is all about the design, right? It's the thinnest iPhone ever, just 5.6 millimeters. Not sure about that. I think the iPhone 6 was also quite thin. But this one has a titanium frame. It runs on the A19 Pro chip, has a 6.5-inch OLED ProMotion display, but only one rear camera. And that's the new 48 megapixel fusion sensor that can simulate 2x telephoto. It's sleek, futuristic, and of course ultra light. Price starts in the US dollars, $999 US. And here in the Netherlands, the price starts at 1,229 euros. Finally, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Both run on the A19 Pro chip with the new vapor chamber cooling for sustained performance. The Pro has 6.3-inch OLED as well, and the Pro Max bumps that up to 6.9 inches. Both support ProMotion at 120 Hz and come as well with the Ceramic Shield 2. On the back, you get the triple camera system, 48 megapixel main, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and also the 48 megapixel for the telephoto lens. Battery life is the best Apple has ever done, and these are clearly aimed at pro photographers, filmmakers, and power users. The prices start at $1,099 for the Pro and $1,199 for the Pro Max, US dollars that is. And here in the Netherlands, the price starts at 1,329 euros for the Pro and 1,479 for the Pro Max, which is crazy expensive. I cannot even talk anymore. It's crazy anymore. Crazy expensive. Now let's compare this to my old iPhone 14 Pro Max. That phone already had an OLED ProMotion display, a triple camera system, and great performance. But now, with my screen replaced by an LCD, my phone feels like a budget device. And that's why the iPhone 17 base model feels so appealing. And I think a lot of you feel that as well. It basically gives me back everything my 14 Pro Max once had. OLED, brightness, ProMotion, but with even better cameras and faster performance. As a content creator, I keep asking myself, do I really need the Pro features? Sure. The 8x or 5x, 4x optical zoom is tempting, but I never really use that. The vapor chamber cooling is nice, and the Pro Max display is massive. The battery is nice as well. But will those features actually change the way I shoot my content? And honestly, probably not. And to be honest, if you don't know what ProRes RAW is or any of those Pro features, then you probably don't need the Pro at all. The base iPhone 17 already looks like a huge upgrade, and the iPhone Air is super tempting, but I don't know if I can live with just one rear camera and paying a lot of money for actually getting less. Right, so right now, the base iPhone 17 feels like the sweet spot, right? And the good news is all of these phones are available to order right now. So here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to order the iPhone 17, the iPhone Air, and the iPhone 17 Pro. I'll test them all directly against my somewhat broken iPhone 14 Pro Max and figure out which one is really the best upgrade in 2025. So make sure you hit subscribe because the full hands-on comparison is coming soon, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay safe, stay happy.